In this video, I'm going to show you the fastest trading bot for Solana called TradeWiz. So, in case you're new to this and you've never seen it, there's a link down below in the description as well as in the pinned comment, and you can sign up using my link over here. It will take you directly to this site where you can then get started with the correct bot. So, to actually get started, this is the link you're going to go to, and then you can either start bot if you have Telegram app installed on your computer, or you can just start in web in case you don't have the app. So for me, I'm just gonna go with web because I don't have installed the Telegram app on my computer. So open in web, and then here you'll see you can then start using it. So there we go. The first thing that's gonna happen, you're gonna see this panel. Now, if you don't see it, just hover over this part over here and click on start. And then there we go. You can see you can do whatever you want in here. You can see your Solana address. You can see how much Solana you have in your balance. You can basically see all the important things up here, the last updated, different social media they have, etc. So here you have a few different buttons. You have the buy button and the sell button, which are going to be, of course, the most important too. So you can click buy. And then there we go. You can then just basically type in the token address and it's going to buy the token, okay? You can do sell, and then of course, again, it's going to show you all the tokens you're holding. Currently, I'm not holding any tokens, so I can't really sell anything. But of course, if you are holding any tokens, you'll be able to sell them over here. You can even copy trade over here, and if you click on copy trade, you'll see you can just basically add a wallet. So you can just click on add over here, and then you can just add a wallet to your copy trade over here very easily. Let me now just go back over here. There we go. It also has the auto trade function, so if you click that, you can see there's a bunch of different options you have to just auto trade, and you can create a new one if you want, or just add it. You can add limit orders, you can auto sell, and then you can see your current positions by clicking here, add your wallet by clicking here. So for example, let's say you have a wallet. This one is a default wallet over here, and you can just tap to copy it like this. But if you want to import one of your wallets, which actually has a balance on them, you can click import wallet over here and then confirm import, and it's going to ask you for your private key. There we go. You then just have to paste in the private key of that wallet, and then you'll be good to go. It will be added inside your TradeWiz bot. So let me just go back over here. There we go. In here, you can see help. In case you have any questions, you can just tap on that. It'll help you out. And then they also have the smart wallet function. As you can see, it is basically you can search for smart money, buying a specific token. And this is quite convenient as well, in case that's what you're interested in. And down here, you also have the extension, so we can install their extension. Let me open this up. It's actually a Chrome extension via which you can then trade in different basically on different platforms such as Axiom and some of the others. And by the way, in case you don't have an Axiom Pro account, there's a link for that down below in the description as well as in the pinned comment. So if you check that out, if you sign up using my link, you'll get a 10% discount on all trading fees forever. So make sure you check that out in case you are interested in Axiom. Now you can just add this to Chrome and then put in the verification code you'll receive over here inside Telegram into this bot, and you'll be able to access it on Axiom as well as a lot of the other platforms. Here they also have the settings, so if you click on settings, you can see you can basically set the fee, slippage, you can set the processor, the auto buy, presets, etc. And then if you go back, you also have the referrals where you can get your referral link, and then you can refer your friends and earn a percentage of the fees they pay while trading with TradeWiz. So that's pretty much it. This is the fastest trading bot for Solana. Make sure you check it out down below, as I said. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.